The DAMIENSABER RGB3.0 Soundboard Kit offers an immersive DIY experience for lightsaber enthusiasts, allowing you to build or upgrade your own unique saber with ease. With 16 sound fonts and 3 dynamic light effects, this kit provides a customizable and realistic combat experience that will impress any Star Wars fan. The kit's updated RGB 3.0 soundboard and durable ABS shell ensure both high performance and protection, even during intense charging sessions. An innovative app function allows for detailed customization, including battery monitoring, sound font selection, and infinite color options, enhancing user control over their saber. This inner core kit is designed for easy installation, fitting comfortably within saber hilts with a minimum diameter of 25.5 millimeters. Whether you are repairing a damaged saber or creating a new one, the DAMIENSABER kit is a reliable choice for crafting a personalized and high-quality lightsaber.